So hello everyone, in this screencast I am going to demonstrate the steps that you need to follow to create a cluster as per the document titled Kubernetes Workshop Pre-requisites. So by now you should have completed the first part and you will be shortly getting email. So go to your mailbox and check for this email from IBM. So you will get a congratulatory message, and apart from that you will get one more email which has the link to complete your registration. So you need to see if you have got this email. If you are not able to find this in your inbox, check your spam folder and you need to click on this link, or alternatively you can copy and paste this URL into your browser. Let me open this in a new tab. In here you need to enter the verification code that you have got in your email. So copy the verification code, make sure that you copy it as it is, and paste it inside this text box. And submit it. So here you will have to create your IBM ID. Now you can enter the correct details here and enter the required and set your password as well. And click on create IBM ID. So you will have to follow all the instructions given in the emails, and once you have activated your IBM ID, you will get $150 in free cloud credits for the infrastructure and platform as a service offerings in IBM Cloud. Now you can go to the IBM Cloud console, copy this URL, once again navigate to that particular URL in your browser. Here you need to log in with the new ID that you have just created. So I am going to log in now using the same email ID or using the IBM ID that I have just created. And when you sign in, it's going to give you some welcome messages. You can skip them, and as per this document you will be presented with a dashboard with region and the Cloud Foundry space populated. So you will have to look for one of these regions. The Cloud Foundry organization is your email ID and Cloud Foundry space is dev. Now if you are not able to see the Cloud Foundry org and Cloud Foundry space details, the document suggests that you can try out different drop down options, and you will see that if you select one of the regions, your Cloud Foundry org and Cloud Foundry space will be automatically populated. Now it is advised to create a cluster in UK or Germany region. So I have selected UK. Now you need to click on the catalog from the top right corner and from the catalog you have to click on containers under infrastructure from the left hand side menu and click on container registry. So let's do that. So I need to click on catalog, and from the panel on the left click on containers, and from containers I can click on container registry. Next I need to click on clusters from the left hand side menu, and I need to select the region and click on create cluster. So I'll click on clusters, select the region. So let's prefer to keep it in UK only, and click on create cluster. You will be presented with the create new cluster page. So the document advises us to leave all the fields with default values and click on create cluster. The cluster will be created by name my cluster. So leave everything in the default setting and click on create cluster. So this process is going to take around 10 to 25 minutes, and you should be able to see that the status changes from currently it is deploying, so it will change to the ready state once the cluster creation is completed. So after about 10 minutes the status is now changed to pending, and after almost 15 minutes the status has now changed to ready. So with that we have completed part 2 of the setup required for the Kubernetes workshop for IBM Code Day event.